Shopee. Binalan ako ni Mom ng Lacoste.
Like.
Fried chicken. Although may order naman tayong chicken. Saan na lang? Ay, okay, yun na lang. Bigyan na natin yung Shanghai. Gusto nyo nachos? Ka? Are you hungry, baby? Bakit mo na? Sandali! Pag yan na ano pa, hindi naman yata siya ano eh.
Matigas.
Matigas niya. Wow! Ginagawa ni Trisha yung jump.
Iwan na nila. Vitamin E. Kahit lagpas ng konti.
Nagpaano mo, nagpahulas-hulas. Ay, Mimi, nagpata ba?
Manifest.
So cute. This is the tiny one. Hello.
What the fuck?
Wow.
There's a plane.
Mommy, one duck, one.
What? Oh.
You ruined.
Eat ka, eat. Eat. Wow. Hi guys. So, I'm home right now. Galing kami ng SM ni Kira and we ate and then I got my, well, he got my nails done It's sparkly pink. So, ayan. Ito ang fit. Look at my Converse. Back laces. Ayun, tas we tried souffle pancakes. It was good. It was really sweet, but it was like eating air, you know, kasi tawag dito. Ang hangin niya, parang hindi siya enough para balikan. Parang mas okay na yung normal pancakes or waffles. Anyway, after my sparkly nails, this is gel this time. Para daw hanggang Valentine's Day na. Hindi, sabi matagal daw to. Ayan, see, it's very pretty. It's giving 2007 lip gloss. So, ito yung papakita ko sa inyo is, meron kaming matchy glasses from Sunny's. Pero yung kanya, prescription glasses. And I have anti-rad glasses, but it's the same frame. Tapos para matchy kami. Okay. Parang mas maganda. Mas kita nyo siguro yung nails ko here. Anyway, sobrang pretty nito. Like, ayan. See? Sunny's. So, ito siya. Tada! It's silver. Kasi hindi talaga bagay sa akin yung thick frames. Ayun, nagpa-adjust na rin ako ng braces ka. Kita niya, it's pink. See? Nag-post na lang. Ang ganda ka. Ang ganda fishies. Nililimutan ko minsan. Ayan o, pretty. Very pink and silver. Ay, papakita ko rin pala sa inyo yung dress na bili sa akin ng mom ko for Christmas. Very Tinkerbell ang atake niya. So, eto siya. It's very Tinkerbell. Tapos, ang small nito. So, I really feel and see naman na parang pumayat na ako. Nag-work na ang ko. No rice for almost, I think magto 2 weeks na. I think, pag na-continue ko yun ng months or so. Siyempre, dapat nakain pa rin ng maraming proteins, parang alternative for rice, and drink ng maraming water and continue my workout. I really think I will reach my dream body. Ayan, I love the dress. It's for Christmas. Tingnan niyo guys, see her. Say hi! Hi, fishies! Hello! Nasaan na si Mimi? Mimi? Yuki? Bulaga. Ay, nag-aaway siya. Ay! Yeah, huli! Hi, Mimi! This is Mimi. Good. Wow, hi, fishies! Hello! Ang cute! Si Mimi! Ang si Mimi! Ito si Yuki. Yuki! Wala! Ay, ang ganda naman yan! Ay! Lumaya. Wait lang. Huli! Huli siya! So guys, ang ganda ni Yuki, oh! Mukhang fox yan siya. Ay, hello, fishies! Hello! Hi! Hangin pa yung buko. Bye! Bye! Hello! First ka ni Rogers ni Kira. Medyo may sakit siya. Ay. Matcha. Look what I got! Wait! Look!
Quaqua Plus. Quaqua Plus.
I also got this one.
Quaqua Plus Cup.
No.